Good morning, ma'am. Tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Anjali Rasaili. I'm 30 years old. I'm from Japan, Nepal. I have four members in my family. I'm married. I passed SLC. My height 5'1" and weight 60 kg. I'm medically fit and fine. I have 5 years experience as a poultry farm worker in Nepal. I want to come to any Europe country as a poultry farm worker to earn money, support my family, and uplift my living standard. I'm hardworking and honest person. I will complete my contract as a per the company rules. Also, I will follow company rules and policy. Thank you, sir.